Hello everyone, let's get ready. So today I'm feeling little Indian, so I'm thinking of wearing this very pretty dress जो कि है ये green color में गोटा पट्टी work की. So let's try it out. So here you go. And with this dress I'm thinking of pairing earrings, these or these ones. I guess these ones will go better. Yeah, these looks pretty. So now let's move on to a little bit of skincare and makeup.
Now we'll apply some concealer and we'll set that with compact powder.
And now we'll apply some blush. काजल टाइम. इंडियन ड्रेस है तो काजल तो चाहिए ही है. See, can you see that? कैसा लुक चेंज हो गया पूरा. Now little bit of mascara time. Now we'll brush our eyebrows with the same. To complete our look, lipstick time. And tada! So here is my final look. What do you guys think? Let me know. Bye bye.